Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and Aceh. Alright, today I'm very happy that Tuesday I got just visiting my friend with party, just get very in the mosque because this mosque name is Masjid by the Almakmur, the village in Meulaboh, West Aceh. A lot of people after Masjid Rahman, the most beautiful mosque, and then the most great mosque in Aceh. Now we have the great mosque in Aceh. A lot of people when they come to West Aceh and then North Aceh, they always take picture, getting shot. It is very awesome. Can you imagine that? Every single day, every single night, every single week, a lot of visitors, a lot of people come here and then just take a picture. What? Just today, I am with my friend. We are gonna hiding to North Aceh and then South Aceh, just hiding, promote a lot of culture. Like we do Nomer, we do taking share and anything about that.